You a boss, I'm a boss too. Little baby, when I pull it, what you gon' do? No L's, all dubs, what I'm used to. Quick, can't get this bag, just me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing. I literally wanted to do this unboxing yesterday, but I was so tired. I was not having a good day. I was not having a good week, actually. If you guys noticed, I only posted one this week, and then just now I finished posting a video. I do like to post 3 times a week. That's just my preference. I like giving you guys content throughout the week. And yeah, even on my off weeks, I still try my best to do that. So hit the subscribe button if you guys are new here. I do post a lot about health, unboxings, family videos, and recipes. So, oh guys, I've never ordered from Lens.me. I literally have one pair of eye contacts that I always use, and they're called Air Optics. The contacts I regularly use are called Sterling Gray, and I love those. I mean, I got used to those, and you know, I do wear prescription contacts, so I obviously use it because I need them. But I love switching it up. You guys probably don't know this yet, but I used to dye my hair all the time. It was so fun for me. It's just like when you switch something up about yourself, you feel more confident. Like, you enjoy that change, you embrace that change. So the same way with my eyes, I love switching it up. And I went all out, guys. Like, the color I'm about to show you is insane. Well, that's how it looks like online. Guys, if you end up liking the contact lens I show you today, please click the link down below and order your contacts through my link. It helps me, but it also helps you. You get a little discount by using my link if you end up liking what we see today. I don't even know if I'm gonna like it, but I hope so. And no, nothing is sponsored, of course. So unfortunately, my boyfriend opened up the package, like the plastic bag it comes in. So I already saw the packaging, but it's so cute. It says Lens.me, see clear, look beautiful. Your lenses have arrived. And it's like a cute, like, shiny blue. It's actually a pretty big box. I only ordered one color. I'm hoping to order more once I have some extra cash. In the back it just says 24/7 live customer service, which is super cool. Okay, how do we do this? Oh, that's cool. It's a magnetic. I didn't even know. I was about to break the box. Ta-da! My god, I'm so excited. Whoa, this is so cute. It has googly eyes. We are very happy to make you look even better. Oh my god! The hand wrote a note. I'm shook. Like, this is amazing customer service. This is insane. I'm like shook. Okay, hold on. It says, thank you for your trust. Let your eyes sparkle when you smile. Oh, that's so sweet. I've never seen this in packaging. Like, this is the type of thing I'm talking about. Like, this is the type of company I want to order from. Guys, my contact lenses were 80 bucks. Yeah, well, they were supposed to be 90, but I used one of the codes that this girl had, so they were 80. And you guys will get money off with my little link too. It's not a code you put. You literally just click through the link and it should give you a discount. Comes in this little thing. I'm opening it, and ta-da. Okay. I'm so excited. I love this already. Mira, me escribieron adentro. That's so cute. Que gracias por confiar en nosotros. Deja que tus ojos brillen cuando sonríes. The collection that I ordered from is called Hidrocor Solotica. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Cute, really cute packaging. Guys, I'm sorry, but my Air Optics, like, they don't do any of these extra stuff. Like, it literally just comes in a tiny box that says Air Optics, and that's it. So far, I'm loving their packaging, their presentation, their notes. That's so weird. Yay, I needed one. And it's baby blue. I needed one. Guys, if you didn't know, you should be switching out your lens cases often. Like I would say, like, every time you get new lenses, if you do the monthly ones, you should be switching them out often because they can collect bacteria in there. I didn't know that for a minute. Bro, this is so weird. It comes in this. So I have 1 and 1 Oh, if you have like obviously they have prescription, like I just said, I have to use prescription contacts, and they also have normal ones. So if you just like changing your eye color, they have normal ones too. But the prescription, if you have like one eye one prescription and the other eye the other, they let you choose like left eye this, right eye this, and you actually don't need to upload a prescription or anything, which is kind of weird. Like I'm not used to that, but I mean, I guess it's good because you can just use any prescription that you know is yours. Like, you don't have to like have an updated one. Like, if you already know that you've been using one prescription all of these years and it works for you, you don't have to like go against your doctor and get like a fresh prescription. So as long as you know your number, you can order. And okay, they look so light in the packaging. I'm a little bit scared. Like, you could barely even see them in there. So Topazio is the name I got, and it's the Hidrocor collection, and I got the yearly one. So I've never had yearly contacts. They do say since they're yearly, it's a little bit thicker and a little bit less comfortable, so I'll be the judge of that. ¿Cómo se abre esto? Oh.
2 hours later.
I'm back. I was washing my hands, as we should all be doing before we touch our eyes. Okay, so taking this off was a little tricky, I'm not gonna lie, but once you have it off, I think you just snapped it open. Yep. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm kind of annoyed. Okay, I'll get some solution ready because I have to kind of swish it around and try to get it. Okay, what? It's hard to get them out. It's hard to get them out because like your finger doesn't even fit in here, so. Oh, it's out. It's out, it's out, it's out. Kind of looks too fake, like just by looking at the lens, but I don't know. So I'm not going to react to it. I barely looked at myself. I'm not going to react to it until I have both in. It's annoying to get them out, I'm not going to lie. Oh, I just took a look in the mirror, but I can't see that much, and I think it looks bad. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Guys, I literally made a whole puddle on my desk trying to do this. I'm gonna get a headache because if you guys didn't know, it's not good to go from glasses to contact lenses back to glasses. Like, the back and forth is actually really bad because your eye adjusts to whatever you usually use. So I usually use contact lenses, and then I went like 2 weeks with my eyeglasses, and now I'm back to lenses. So it needs like an adjustment period, and during the adjustment period it hurts. And yeah, that's why if you do decide to do contacts long term, you should never run out of your contacts. I'm disappointed because I took just the peek and I don't think I like it, but let's see. It's like, I don't know if they make me look sick. But at the same time, I think I like them. So, let's get my boyfriend's reaction. Wow. They're definitely bluer, and I did want to go bluer, but I just feel like the other ones looked natural, and I don't know about these. Oh! ¿Vas a entrar? Yeah. Okay, I'm literally shook at that. I gotta get his reaction.
Hey, hi, how are you?
No, mis ojos. No sé.
Oh my god, I like it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Güey, míralos bien, ¿no se ve como enfermo?
No, se ve como muy intenso acá.
¿No se ve como Medusa?
No.
¿Seguro?
Ya, está bonito, está bien que invente otros ojos. Sí, se te ve bien, no se te ve muy foco porque tú eres blanca. Se ve muy encendido, sí. Like it, yeah.
You sure? Wait, let's see.
No, invértelo a ti.
Wow, no, pues sé como el
Se ve muy
océano.
bonito, Ah, no, lo mío son otros.
¿Ah?
Cambiaron así como a mí, a veces azul, a veces como verde. Pero
Sí, porque lo hicieron un poquito amarillo en la mitad, ¿no ves? Are you ready?
It's getting a little bit. No, I'm not. I haven't even dressed
Look
up.
at my eyes. Show them your reaction. What do you think? It's okay. You could be mean. It's fine.
Cute.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But
I'm just trying because I haven't dressed up.
no, it's okay. They won't see you. But just tell me, what do you?
They are seeing me.
No,
Seriously.
they're just gonna see you like this. Okay, I'll hug you. Tell me. Look at me.
Cute.
What color are they?
Like a greeny, bluey.
Like the ocean?
Yeah, like the ocean.
But you like them?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys. Tell them.
I might come back.
I'm gonna get a close-up. Oh, by the way, guys, look at the mess I had to make. Such a mess just to get them out. But that's the least of my worries. Oh, let's talk about comfort and all of that, like besides the color stuff. So comfort, they're comfortable. I don't know why I saw a review saying that they're not comfortable. I guess the girl was saying one eye was comfortable, the other wasn't. Both of my eyes are comfortable. They literally feel like my monthly lenses. I can probably do an update to let you guys know how every month is going, because like I said, I've never had contacts for a year. I don't even know if I'm gonna let them stretch out that long because I feel a little weird about it. But I mean, if they don't feel like they're expired, I'll just keep using it because they are supposed to be yearly. And it's such a great deal because $80 for a year of lenses, I'm saving so much. I usually pay $90 for every 3 months. So no, actually not 90, $99. So basically $100 for every 3 months. And you know, that's some coin right there. And if I can save some coin, I'm all about that. So that's why I bought the yearly ones. And I think they're a good price. And Lens.me has so many colored contacts, like so many. So I'm excited to order more because I'll probably order like honey color. I'll probably order a different type of blue, like one that's more gray, kind of like closer to what I already had. But I'm already getting used to them, to be honest. I don't know. It's like I like it, but I don't. Yeah, so this is just with natural lighting in my room. Can't really go outside because I don't really go outside. Overall, my review on these is a 10 out of 10. Guys, again, not sponsored at all, but they're comfortable. I got my sight back. I'm so glad I can see clearly. They got the prescription perfect, and they have beautiful colors. Don't get me wrong, like when you see me scared, like, oh my god, I don't know, it's not because the color is not beautiful. It's just, it's a shock seeing it on me. So it's a little like, whoa, but I actually do like them. I really like the color. The service, amazing. It came on time. They did like personalized notes. I will for sure be buying from them again, guys. So again, click the link down below if you want to purchase from them. It helps me out. It helps you guys out. You guys get a discount. And yeah, so I will hopefully be doing more unboxings from Lens.me. I'm so excited. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Ciao.
¡A comer! ¡Uy, ay, por fin! ¡Cero! ¡Ay, qué rico! ¿Qué hacen los dientes?